Okay, so I just unwrapped this thing, or just opened it up. I hooked it all up. I just have it on in my living room. I'm not venting it to the outside right now. I just wanted to make sure if it worked or not. It spits snowballs, without a doubt. And I've read a lot of reviews about it being loud. I think that's relative, because I don't think this is loud at all. So I'm just gonna be quiet for a second. This is on max. I sleep every night with a noise machine to intentionally hear something like this, so I don't think this is loud at all. Wife, do you think this is loud? My wife doesn't think this is loud either. So for the reviews that say this is obnoxiously loud, where they like rate it at 2 stars, or that they want to return it, I just think those people are, I'll be nice and just say I think those people are mistaken or have unrealistic expectations for a portable AC. It reminds me a lot of being in a hotel room with one of those units that's by the window. It sounds a lot like that. And I think that is more consistent with what your expectations should be, versus I have no idea what people's expectations are for it to be really quiet.
Daddy's coming.